Artificial intelligence, AI, is a branch of computer science that deals with the development of machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. The goal of AI is to create intelligent machines that can think, reason, and learn like humans. These machines are designed to mimic human cognitive abilities and make decisions based on data, algorithms, and statistical models. AI has the potential to revolutionize many fields, including healthcare, finance, education, and transportation. It has already led to significant advancements in areas such as speech recognition, natural language processing, and computer vision. This led to significant advancements in areas such as speech recognition, natural language processing, and computer vision. In recent years, deep learning, a type of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks to simulate the structure and function of the human brain, has revolutionized the field of AI. Deep learning has led to breakthroughs in areas such as image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and robotics. Today, AI is used in a wide range of applications, including self-driving cars, virtual personal assistants, and medical diagnosis. It is expected to continue to have a significant impact on many aspects of society in the future. Before going deeper, make sure to subscribe to our channel. It costs nothing and helps the channel grow. Artificial intelligence, AI, can be classified into different types based on their capabilities and functions. The three main types of AI are as follows: narrow or weak AI. Narrow or weak AI is designed to perform a specific task or set of tasks. This type of AI is trained on a limited dataset and performs well only in the specific domain it was designed for. Examples of narrow or weak AI include image and speech recognition, language translation, and virtual personal assistants like Siri and Alexa. General or strong AI. General or strong AI is designed to perform any intellectual task that a human can do. This type of AI has the ability to reason, learn, and adapt to new situations. General or strong AI does not exist yet and is a goal for future AI development. Artificial superintelligence. Artificial superintelligence is an extension of general or strong AI.